Welcome to Wonderslate. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Topic for today's quiz is Biology. Question number 1. Plasma membrane in eukaryotic cells is made up of Option A. Phospholipid. Option B. Lipoprotein. Option C. Phospholipoprotein. Option D. Phosphoprotein. The correct answer is Option A. Phospholipid. Plasma membrane is a semi-permeable membrane in eukaryotic cell which is made up of phospholipids. Phospholipid from a bilayer around cell. Most of the phospholipid contain a diglyceride, a phosphate group and a simple organic molecule such as choline. First time it is identified in biological system of egg yolk. Question number 2. The cuticle is absent in Option A. Leaf. Option B. Stem. Option C. Root. Option D. Fruit. The correct answer is Option C. Root. Cuticle is a protecting layer on the epidermis of stem, leaves, young shoots of plants. It consists of lipid and hydrocarbon polymers with wax. So, they prevent an excessive evaporation of water. It is absent in roots epidermis. Question number 3. Outside the nucleus DNA is found in Option A. Golgi bodies. Option B. Mitochondria. Option C. Ribosome. Option D. Endoplasmic reticulum. The correct answer is Option B. Mitochondria. DNA, deoxyribose nucleic acid, is a genetic material mostly found in nucleus, exception to this being the small amount of DNA found in organelles outside the nucleus. Question number 4. Plant cell wall is made up of Option A. Cellulose. Option B. Glucose. Option C. Fructose. Option D. Sucrose. The correct answer is Option A. Cellulose. Plant cell wall is the outermost layer of cell. It is made by a polysaccharide of glucose called as cellulose. Question number 5. What is cell membrane? Option A. Permeable. Option B. Semi-permeable. Option C. Non-permeable. Option D. Freely permeable. The correct answer is Option B. Semi-permeable. Cell membrane is the outermost covering of cell, which separates the exoplasm from cytoplasm. Cell membrane is semi-permeable, that is, it allows the entry of only those molecules which are required to maintain the connection. Question number 6. Which of the following cell organelles are present only in plant cell? Option A. Cell membrane. Option B. Cell wall. Option C. Mitochondria. Option D. Lysosomes. The correct answer is Option B. Cell wall. Cell wall is the cell organelle which is present only in plant cell. Question number 7. The book Genera Plantarum was written by Option A. Linnaeus. Option B. Bentham and Hooker. Option C. Engler and Prantl. Option D. Hutchinson. The correct answer is Option A. Linnaeus. Genera Plantarum is a collection of brief description of the 935 plant genera. This book was written by Swedish naturalist Carl Linnaeus, 1707 to 1778. Question number 8. What is sponge? Option A. A fossil. Option B. A plant. Option C. An animal. Option D. A fungus. The correct answer is Option C. An animal. A sponge is an aquatic animal of the phylum Porifera with porous bag-like body structure and a rigid or elastic internal skeleton. Sponges do not have nervous, digestive or circulatory system. Question number 9. Ferns belong to which division of plants? Option A. Gymnosperms. Option B. Angiosperms. Option C. Thallophyta. Option D. Pteridophyta. The correct answer is Option D. Pteridophyta. Ferns are small pteridophytic plant. They are seedless, Non-flowering vascular plants. Question number 10. Among plants, 3 different genera Solanum, Petunia and Dhatura are placed in which family? Option A. Canциdae. Option B. Solanaceae. Option C. Felis. Option D. Felidae. The correct answer is option B. Solanaceae. The Solanaceae or nightshades are an economically important family of flowering plants. The economically important family of flowering plants. The family ranges from annual and perennial herbs, vines, epiphytes, shrubs and trees. Numerous of important agricultural plants, medicinal plants, spices, weeds and ornamental. Some member of family contain potent alkaloids and some are highly toxic. Question number 11. Which of the following is not true about Bryophyta? Option A. Dominant phase is gametophytes. Option B. Main plant body is haploid. Option C. Spores are homospores. Option D. Flowers are present. The correct answer is option D. Flowers are present. Bryophyta is a cryptogamous plants. They are also known as non-flowering plants. Question number 12. Viruses are option A. Cellular. Option B. Acellular. Option C. Unicellular. Option D. Multicellular. The correct answer is option B. Acellular. Viruses are acellular microorganisms. They are very tiny, much smaller than bacteria. They causes familiar infectious disease such as the common cold, flu, warts and fever. A protein coat or capsid sometime enclosed within a membrane that is envelope called as capsid. Question number 13. The smallest size of a cell that can be seen with the naked eyes. Option A. 1 micron. Option B. 10 micron. Option C. 100 micron. Option D. 1000 micron. The correct answer is option C. 100 micron. The smallest object are those objects they can be seen with unaided eye are about 0.1 millimeters long. Micron is an alternative name of micrometer. Question number 14. Plague is caused by option A. Bacteria. Option B. Protozoa. Option C. Viruses. Option D. All of them. The correct answer is option A. Bacteria. Plague is a bacteria disease caused by the Enterobacteria Yersinia pestis. It is usually found in small mammals and their fleas. Question number 15. Rinderpest disease of cattle is caused by option A. Insect. Option B. Bacteria. Option C. Virus. Option D. Protozoa. The correct answer is option C. Virus. Rinderpest virus, member of genus Morbillivirus, is closely related to measles and canine distemper virus, which cause diseases in cattle. Question number 16. Which of the following induces nitrogen fixation in soil? Option A. Protozoa. Option B. Bacteria. Option C. Fungi. Option D. Algae. The correct answer is option B. Bacteria. Nitrogen fixation is process in which atmosphere nitrogen is converted into ammonia. This process is completed by nitrogen-fixing bacteria such as Azobacter, Rhizobium etc. Question number 17. Bakeries use yeast in bread making because it option A. Make the bread hard. Option B. Makes the bread soft and spongy. Option C. Enhance the food value. Option D. Keeps the bread freer. The correct answer is option B. Makes the bread soft and spongy. Bread is usually made from wheat flour dough that is cultured with the yeast. Yeast is used for fermentation, which makes the bread soft and spongy. Question number 18. What study of fungus is known as option A. Physiology. Option B. Phrenology. Option C. Mycology. Option D. Biology. The correct answer is option C. Mycology. Mycology is the study of fungus including their genetic and biochemical properties. Pier Antonio Michel is known as father of modern mycology. Question number 19. Which of the following is an example of parasitic algae? Option A. Ulothrix. Option B. Cephalaris. Option C. Idogonium. Option D. Sargassum. The correct answer is option B. Cephalaris. Parasitic algae are disease most commonly seen in warm humid climate or in greenhouses. Commonly Cephalaris is a genus of parasitic thalloid green algae, common name red rust. The algae's parasite on tea, coffee, mango and guava. Question number 20. A disease caused by fungus is option A. Roundworm. Option B. Ringworm. Option C. Tapeworm. Option D. Filaria. The correct answer is option B. Ringworm. Ringworm is a fungal disease or infection of the skin in human. It is also called as dermatophytosis. The fungi that cause parasitic infection feed on keratin that found in the outer layer of skin, hair and nails. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like practice this quiz, then download the Wonderslate app now. Link in the description below. If you have any suggestion for us, feel free to leave comments. If you liked the video and want to see more of it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to click on subscribe button to get more updates of the future videos.